Hey guys, hello. Oh well, it's been a while. Today I'm going to Proton's Center of Excellence in Shah Alam to test out the all-new Proton X50. So Proton recently updated the Proton X50 for 2024 and there are a few improvements and I'm excited to check it out. Alright, so to give you guys some backstory, me and a couple of influencers were invited to test out the all-new Proton X50. So technically it's not all new because they just updated a little bit here and there. I'm one of the first few to arrive, so I'm gonna head in and check what's up. So this car belongs to Sam, I believe. He's one of the influencers that were invited to conduct the review today. I'm here with Sam, the owner of the Green Myvi just now. So we had a walk around the old Proton X50. From the outside, technically it looks the same. So we're gonna head in and register ourselves, I believe. So I'll update you guys later. I'm gonna have my breakfast now. Hey guys, so I just got done with registration and currently just walking around their showroom where they showcase a bunch of old and new Proton cars. These are some of the cars that were made for special occasions. As you can see, there's this cool looking Satria Neo. There's also the iconic Wajah that was used for F1 races in Sepang back then. Got my lanyard. I think the event is gonna start soon, so I'm gonna go and catch up with the guys first. We just changed our shirt to the track experience shirt. So now we're gonna go to briefing.
We hope in the future we have a lot of chance can work together and support each other. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Oh, where are we going? Razik, where are we going?
We will be going in Perak.
Oh, Perak!
It will replace Sepang.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind walking, but if it's something else, it's surprising.
So we're currently in the bus. They're gonna take us to the test track. I believe it's just right behind this COE. Let's go. Now I'm gonna test drive the Proton X50 around the circuit. Yeah, I'm gonna set up my GoPro inside the car and you guys can check out the onboard video after this. Driver tak rasa apa pun. Okey. Tak rasa apa. Nak upshift kan, dia akan upshift satu. Bagi nak jatuh, Okay, I just got done with my joyride. I went a couple of laps around the ring. It was very fun. The banking was really steep, so the G-force was much more stronger than I have anticipated. So after this, I'm gonna try out the other activities they have to offer. Okay, so now I'm gonna hop inside and try out the staggered test or a slalom test. So as you guys can see over there, there are multiple cones and the instructor is gonna bring me for a ride.
So how was it?
My motion sickness said hello. So it was very interesting because despite it being a front-wheel drive car, it behaves a lot like a rear-wheel drive, meaning that it can oversteer in turn-ins.
So you can say this thing can drive on MIMC?
Most likely, give it some performance callovers and then, you know, put it to the test. How is it, Isan?
I cannot lah.
Cannot really.
Fucking G-force lah.
I'm gonna try this VR thing. Oh? Whoa! Tahu tapi ada steering dalam ni. Alright. So you guys might think this is a normal Proton Vira, right? But here's something that you guys might not know of. This is actually a left-hand drive Proton Vira, as you guys can tell here. So not sure where this car was registered at, but might be Russia. And this is actually a car that Proton made for their North Pole expedition. Pretty cool. This may look like a normal Proton Satria GTI, but again, it's also a left-hand drive Proton Satria GTI. You don't get to see this every day. Alright guys, so it's a little bit in the afternoon and that pretty much wraps up my track experience at Proton's Center of Excellence. I had a lot of fun at the Proton test track. We did a couple of activities there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I certainly did. I look forward to doing more of this in the future if possible. I want to give a shout out to Audio and also Proton for inviting me here today. I know this video is a little bit more general and all over the place, but if you guys want more concentrated and niche content, you guys can check out my Instagram and TikTok. On Instagram, I'm Meoriz, M-E-O-R-I-Z, whereas on TikTok you can find me, Meor Hariz. Yeah, just spell my name. It should be there. Anyway, that's it for now. More RX-8 content soon. I had shot a couple of videos actually, but couldn't find the time to edit them. But since I'm back on YouTube, hope you guys continue to support me. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this content. Leave a comment for me to improvise where I can. I'll see you guys on the next one.